What are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm making some shrimp dish. Look at this shrimp. This only have a couple months in the year. I saw it, I got it.
Where's it from?
This is from Chinatown. Let me do it one more time. See all this stuff to get rid of?
Okay.
And then even this little leg. And this is the sharp part. And the eyeball. You don't want it to look at you when you're eating them. It's not difficult. Okay. You can cut, then I'll do the rest of them, then I'll show you how to devein.
Okay.
Devein it, go in here. Yeah, it won't come out, of course, when I demonstrate. But you can poke a couple times. See that? The red one is fat. The black one is bad. You have to pull it slowly. If you pull it too fast, it will break. Then I'm going to show you one more. You can sort of see it. Sometimes you don't have it. Yeah. See this?
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
Yeah. Like you can hear it. See that? Poke in here. And pull it out. And I'll do the rest of them.
Okay.
Clean it. You know, just rinse it. They're from water. They're not that dirty. Unlike oyster. Okay, I'm going to wrap it in paper and put it back in the refrigerator until we're ready to cook it. Now I'll make a couple sauce. I'm making this ginger, candied ginger with the orange juice. Okay, I'm going to cut it smaller, and then I'm going to put orange juice in it.
Where do you find that?
I got this in the health food store. I like this kind. Sometimes they like slice. I like it like a little cube. I usually eat it all before I cook it. I buy it and I love it. Then I start eating it. Then by the time I need to cook it, there's no more. I will run back to the store. Will you, right?
Yeah.
Well, you don't cook anyway.
Exactly.
You want a piece?
No.
Oh.
I can't.
It's
I wish I could, Joyce.
It's vegetable.
Coated in sugar.
So what? A little bit of something never hurt. Even you have cyanide, it won't kill you.
I won't try that.
I won't try either. I'm going to make the sauce. I'm going to put some orange zest. Just a little bit. Go around. Don't get the white because the white is bitter.
Right.
That's so pretty, right? Joyce, you have to know you're making a lot of sauce. Colvin's here. Oh. Cut.
More zest from that orange?
No. One is enough. That's enough. Orange would be too much of a good thing.
Those look like good oranges.
Yeah.
Where'd you get them?
Chinatown. Chinatown have good oranges. They're sun-kissed. I don't have it.
Can I use a lemon squeezer?
Yeah, but they're too big.
Oh.
But this is as good. So you squeeze it at the same time, squeeze it out. I like the pulp. Do you?
Yeah.
A little bit more texture.
More nutrients, Joyce.
Yeah, that's true. That's the fiber. You don't want the big pieces. This is Colvin kind of food.
Yeah.
No seed. No bones.
Exactly.
See, no seed.
Oh, that's incredible.
Yeah, I'm going to squeeze and start it. Well, you don't need to take out everything. I'm going to finish it.
Okay.
Making the thickening sauce. Well, let's do a teaspoon and a half, just in case. And then sugar. Don't need to put that much sugar because there's a lot of sugar in the ginger.
Right.
Quarter cup of water. No soy sauce.
Or dark soy?
No, none of that because you want to maintain this color. Green sauce, your favorite sauce. Remember how I learned how to make this sauce?
Yeah, we were out to dinner.
You went out to dinner and then you said, I love this sauce. If you know how to make it, I'll do anything for you. Since then, I own you.
Pretty much, Joyce.
Colvin, when you coming? I'm going to cut it smaller.
It's the seeds that make it spicy, right?
Not that spicy, right? Because I have thin skin. If I don't wear gloves and we're burning for hours. I'm going to get rid of some of the water. I cleaned it already. This is organic cilantro. Alright, get rid of some of the water because you don't want the sauce to be all water. Colvin said, why not? More sauce. You want to taste it. You don't want the water to dilute it. This is going to come down a lot. That's why I put everything in. Put all the in one shot.
Can you use a blender?
I don't know. I still don't know the difference between a blender and a food processor. Sometimes they almost do the same thing.
It seems like the food processor is easier to clean.
This is easy to clean. You can smell it. And jalapeno. See, look like a lot, but not that much. Squid. Ooh. Whoa.
Strong.
Yeah. Remember I make that for you for Christmas?
Uh-huh.
It's not too many people get this sauce. I call this the Colvin sauce.
I have more than just one sauce.
Oh. Okay, that's it. Put a little salt in it, and then you mix it with sour cream. Don't put too much salt. You can always add salt. This is shallot. It's like onion, but it's a little bit milder and then sweeter. I'm gonna make it really thin. See how thin?
Oh, wow.
Little trick, but be careful. This thing is really sharp. Okay, then you go hold this thing. Okay, right? But pretty, right? Usually I don't get bothered by onion, but this is strong, huh? Oh, whatever. Okay. Actually, you can put lemon juice in it.
Yeah.
That's good too.
Preserve it.
Oh, more like a pickle. But today I'm gonna, maybe half of it I'm gonna put lemon juice. The other half I'm gonna fry it. What are we gonna do without paper towel?
I don't know.
This is too long. I'm just cutting it shorter to fit in the frying pan. Okay, I'm gonna put through it. Then when I cook it, it won't cold up.
We can use steel ones too, right, Joy?
Yeah, but you cannot cut it shorter. We have this before, remember?
Yeah.
It was good.
It's very good.
Okay. Then now we can start cooking. I'm gonna shallow fry some of this shallot. Not a lot of oil, like 1 tablespoon. The other half I'll put the lemon juice in it. Make another sauce. And on this side, I'll start the shrimp. I love to cook like this. Just do whatever come to mind.
That's what makes it fun.
Yeah. You know that it's gonna be pretty.
Mm-hmm.
You're getting the cover up in case that it's splashed. Don't throw a little salt on it. Lower it. So I want to slowly cook it. On this side, I'm going to put it in here. Not hot enough. Sometimes it doesn't give me the drama. Sorry. It's fresh. I'm telling you.
Where's the drama?
It's not touching. I need a big, no, not yet. Because if you cover it, all the water is going to come out. Then it will be mush. It's not crisp. You can smell it. It's not going to be bad. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now it's splashing. I'm going to cover it. But shrimp is easy. When it turns red, it's cooked. I should have cut the thing shorter. So you can cut. I'll come back. See, that's how you want it.
It's like onion rings.
Yeah. Actually, I should put it in the oven to crispy it up. But not this time. Let's see the shrimp. Whoa. I think it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to put this in the back. And then I can do the sauce. I'm going to put the orange juice in here. This is an easy sauce. And then you turn the heat on. I'm stirring the thickening sauce. When it come back to a boil, then I put the thickening sauce in it, and that's the sauce.
That's it?
Yeah, how easy can that be? And it tastes really good. Can eat with anything, everything. The watching part never boils. When it come back to a boil, and that's the sauce.
Did the ginger melt?
No, it doesn't melt. You have, you know, you can eat it. But the sugar is soft.
Chunky sauce.
Yeah. See it thicken now. See that they boil back? Nice and thick, right? You don't want soy sauce. You want the nice yellow color. Yeah. This sauce is easy. You can just put some of this in here. It depends on how much you can stomach. And then sour cream. The proportion is depends on how spicy you want it.
Right.
And that's it. It is easy. See, it's paid to take me out to dinner.
Sure does.
We already put a little salt. That's it. I'm going to pull this thing out and plate it. Cut it half. Two different sauce. This might be too spicy, Colvin. Because it too look a little green.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. Good enough. Orange sauce. And then, see, they're crispy.
Oh yeah. So you didn't have to put it in the oven.
Yeah.
That looks great, Joyce.
Okay. Picture time.
And for the other one too, right?
Well,
No, just this one.
yeah, because I think that's a nice balance with the orange.
Alright, picture time.
Picture time.